Morning, everyone. Nenam chidranti sastrani nenam dehti pavak ne chenam kalidantapu ne sosyati marut. Welcome to PPT News, your one-stop destination for the latest and most revival updates from your city and district. We bring you breaking news, exclusive reports, and insightful stories that matter to you, delivered with accuracy and speed. From government initiatives to community events, PPT News ensures you stay informed about everything happening around you. Our mission is to serve as the bridge between the administration and public, highlighting issues and celebrating achievements. PPT News. Connecting people, informing minds, and building trust. Stay with us to stay ahead. MP Dharamveer Singh participated in the district level program of Good Governance Day. Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini gave the message of good governance to the people of the state through virtual medium. Settling people's work on time is also good governance. Officers were honored due to better working system. Lok Sabha MP Dharamveer Singh said that the central and state government have done the work of realizing Atalji's vision of good governance in two sense. The Haryana government, running under the leadership of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, is taking the state to new heights by following the principle of Antyodaya of Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay. Both the government and the administration together give good governance to the people. It is the collective responsibility of all of us. The MP was addressing as the chief guest in the district level program organized at the mini secretariat on Good Governance Day. At the same time, Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini gave the message of good governance to the people of the state through virtual medium from the state level program organized in Gurugram. On this occasion, he rewarded the officers and employees of the departments doing excellent work. He said that today is a special day because it is the birthday of two great personalities of India. Former Prime Minister of India, late Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and Mahamana Sri Madan Mohan Malviya. Replying their policies, the government has presented a great example of good governance in front of the country by implement on the transfer policy of employees in big departments. He said that the government has made most of the services and schemes online and has freed the people from offices, documents and applications, and good governance has been established in the state. For the governance, there should be an intention of service in which there is no place for corruption. The central and state governments are working with good intentions. The MP said that the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, has proved his political strength all over the world by taking solid decisions. Due to the policies of the central and state governments, the public has given the Bharatiya Janata Party a chance to serve in the country and the state for the third consecutive time. He said that in the direction of good governance, the Haryana government is using PPP in government schemes. Today, people are availing government service to PPP from Atal Seva Kendra or Citizen Service Center of villages sitting at home. He said that under the leadership of Haryana Chief Minister, Naib Singh. The government is continuously working for the welfare of the four pillars of developed India: youth, farmers, women, and the poor. New schemes are being implemented continuously for the welfare of farmers. Women are being made self-reliant and empowered through self-help groups. The Haryana government has decided to buy 24 crops of farmers at the minimum support price. Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi has recently announced to provide the free treatment facility of 5 lakh to every person above 70 years of age, irrespective of his income group. It has been decided to implement in the Haryana also. On the occasion of Good Governance Day, officers and employees of various departments were awarded for better functioning. DPRO Sandeep Kumar and EPRO Sukhbir Fogart from Information and Public Relations Department, DRO from Revenue Department, and PO Geeta Saharan from Women and Child Development Department were honored. Vajpayee's dedication towards good governance and public welfare will continue to guide future generation. Sangwan, former Minister Satpal Sangwan, paid tribute from PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee on Good Governance Day. Former Cooperative Minister and senior BJP leader Satpal Sangwan paid tribute to former PM late Atal Bihari Vajpayee on Wednesday as good governance at his residence. The Atal Bihari Vajpayee started a new era of development and good governance in the country with dedication towards ideology and value-based politics. Vajpayee's dedication towards good governance and public welfare will continue to guide future generation. The former minister said in the organized program that former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee has played an important role in good governance in nation building. He always said that the success of democracy in the nation depends on good governance there. He always gave the message of welfare to the people through good governance. He taught the young generation to always work with a spirit of service towards the nation and make it development by inculcating the high ideals of the former Prime Minister in their life. Thank you for staying with PPT News, where we will bring you stories that matter. Stay tuned for more updates and let us stay connected to build a better informed and engaged community. See you in the next bulletin. Till then, take care and keep supporting us. Take care. Bye bye. See ya. Namaskar. Adab. Sat Sri Akal.